Yeah. Yeah.
So it's been a while since I made a video on my lovely Dodge truck, but as you can see, the ABS and traction control light are back on after a couple years of not having it off. So I'm going to go a little bit more into detail on what I'm doing to fix it again. I use an app called Alfaobd. It's great. It's like 50 bucks from the Play Store, well worth it. The only issue is you gotta buy a Bluetooth reader. I chose this one. It's kind of expensive, but you get what you pay for. I've had zero issues with it, so that's why I like it. So with the app open, you select Dodge Ram. I'm working on 2500. I've got ABS issues. And under the control unit, I have a 13 plus. And I'm going to connect. Okay, now that it's connected, the gauges do crazy stuff. That's okay. You go down here to the check engine. Up here you can read all faults. And here it's select a fault, and I've got a C0020, which is the ABS pump module, you know, the good stuff. It's intermittent, it's on, it's off, it's on, it's off, it clears itself, comes back on. I'm pretty sure I have a loose wire up in my connector, so let's get out of the truck and look at it. To make it easy and give me more room, I've already removed the tire, I've removed the wheel well, and then there's this plastic cover that covers this box. So this box right here, it's got all the brake lines running to it, is the issue. That pump right there, that black round circle, they go bad. They're known for it. Why Chrysler won't fix the problem, I don't know. I mean, this pump's only 10,000 miles old. But I've also had issues in this plug right here. With the unlock, you can get inside here. And I've had those connectors come loose, push in. Some of them don't look the greatest. And I have noticed when I yank hard on this plug with the key on, it kicks the codes on and off. So I'm going to go through, open this plug back up, and check every pin and make sure everything's nice and tight. And then go from there. So after taking the back cover off, which is this, there's 4 clips plus 2 more right there. You can get to the back side of these wires. And this is where I find most of my issues. You got to take this red cap out of the front, and once that's out, you can take a little pin and pop loose all these clips and push out the wire one by one, and you can squeeze them with a pair of pliers and tighten them down so they make a better connection on your ABS module. I've had to do that in the past for wheel speed sensors, and it works. And I'm assuming this is going to fix this issue too. Hope this video helps you guys.